Okay guys, welcome to this video. If you remember in our last video, I told you guys what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin, and it played out perfectly well, just like I said. In that video, I told you guys that I'm not expecting Bitcoin to go below this line or this, but even if it goes below this, I'm not expecting it to go below this. And that's just what happened. Bitcoin took out liquidity from here, but never took this one out. And after that, it's now going back to this trend line and also this resistance as well. So two things are involved here. Is either Bitcoin gives us another head and shoulder pattern, which is here, here, and here. If this line is to hold, that means it's a very bad news for Bitcoin. Again, that means it's likely going to come down and break this thing again, but I don't think that's going to happen because 20th January is almost here. That's about 5 or 4 days to come, and from the demand we are seeing in Bitcoin, I think it's going to break this line very soon. So once it breaks this line, there's a valid confirmation that we are going to go up to 120, 130 then before another retracement. And I was able to envision all this play following the last bull run. I told you guys that this same thing happened in the last bull run. That was a 2021 bull run. I told you guys it happened the same way. So looking at the last bull run, it did exactly the same thing. Didn't take out the last low. Then it broke out this in that same January. Also broke out from this last all-time high, and then went up like 2x. Went up for like 2x. Let's check if I'm correct. Yeah, it did like 2x before retracing back again. So I'm not saying that it's going to do this exactly the same way, but if, let's just say that peradventure it happens to follow the same pattern, so that means the next area that we are expecting Bitcoin to consolidate is around, it'll be around 127, from 125, 126, 127 or thereabout, or even 130. So from there, Bitcoin will now go down again. So if you're here watching me, so just be mindful of this area. 130 probably, because that's a psychology level. So you can target 130. Once you see Bitcoin there, maybe you take a little profit from your altcoins or whatever. Or maybe at 125, let me not be too greedy, at 125 start taking profit so that when it comes down you up in again. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll be monitoring this trade. So just played out the way I said it will. Now let's go over to Ethereum. Okay, just like I said as well, Ethereum took out this low, and I told you guys if it takes out this, another place I'm looking to enter the market is here, but it didn't even come down to this place. It just settled in between this place and then went up, and it's going to go up, to the moon. So this is Solana. There's something happened on Solana. I was waiting for Solana to come down to this support zone, but that didn't happen. So I now went in from here, and I'm targeting 500. That should give me about 1000 something percent. So I'm targeting about 500 or 600. No, that's 600. I'm targeting about 600 on Solana. I know it's gonna get there even more. From the last bull run all-time high, I think it went up to 2 something. So 600 would just be 2 plus something else, or 3x, which is very small. Solana is likely to surpass that. So, but I don't want to target $1,000 or $1,000. So I just want to keep it at 600 to be realistic yet. So you can also join me on this trade, but this is not a financial advice. Just for entertainment, I'm just showing you what I believe the market is gonna do, and it's playing out that same way. So this is it. I plotted this. I saw this demand order block here. So but price didn't come down to it again, and it created another order block again. So you can wait for it here, or here, but it's likely to come and meet this one. But this one, I don't know if it's gonna come and meet it again, because 28 is around the corner. So guys, this is what I'm looking out for in the market. So that's it. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos like this. See you guys next time. Ciao.